When you clean a chain, it's important to actually just remove any grit that inside each pivot from each link. And just brushing it, what I do is usually I'll just throw it in lacquer thinner or paint thinner, because it's much stronger than acetone. Then I let it sit 2-3 days submerged. I remove it from there, just wipe a little bit and throw it in isopropyl alcohol, which will remove the lacquer thinner. We'll just kind of rinse it if you want. But once you do so, when you remove it from there, my suggestion is, let me show you first what I mean by clean inside. When you shake the chain, just listen to the squeak sound it makes. It's very faint. You will hear it better in real life. It's not the links hitting each other. It's really just the friction inside the pivot that makes a squeaky sound. That means it's clean. That means any kind of very fine metal grits that's inside this pivot, which you cannot brush off, or the liquid lacquer thinner will not remove from there. That means it has gone. And the way you want to remove this kind of grit is simply just hang the chain like this. I recommend you hang it from one end, so it's all length. For this video I just grabbed it from the middle, but just grab it from one end. Actually there is no end, but just one, just from one side, and just shake it like this. Perhaps you hear that hissing again. Is not the kicking, links kicking each other, it's just a hissing. And just so it has to be dry, fully dry. So once you get it from isopropyl alcohol, wait at least 1 or 2 days. And isopropyl alcohol, be sure to get 90 or 99%, not 70. 70 has 30% water, which will stay inside. Well, you can still wait for it to evaporate, but wait 1-2 days to fully evaporate, because water will get the grit stuck inside, will not let it go. Once you are sure it's really fully dry of any solvent, alcohol or anything, then just shake it like this. It's up to you how long. And again, you want to grab it from one end, right? And just switch the ends, because the top, the part where you grab it, is not going to shake. Only the bottom one is shaking. So perhaps you get the idea. And I did shake it for maybe long time, more than 30 minutes. I'll say perhaps 1 hour. And this kind of movement, it's just like a snake movement. It's sideways, right? Sideways. The way it moves, the links move. This kind of movement will just make that grit come out of each link and drop from there. It's invisible, you not see it, but you will do this. And first, when you do so, it's not going to hear that hissing sound. Once it's cleaned, then you'll start hear that sort of a hissing. It's like a faint quick squeak. So this is what's really cleaning the chain. It's up to you. It's an extra work, but I think if you really want to clean it, this is deep cleaning, not just clean.